Alright, you want to get a bunch of breakfast food going. French toast, ham, sausage, bacon. We're going to need 2 kinds of eggs. I'll show you. About to learn y'all how to make the best breakfast sandwich in the world. Sausage and cheese. Scrambled egg. This is French toast. Ham and cheese. Over easy egg. Bacon. Bacon. Some more bacon. I don't know what to call this sandwich. You want to hammer fist it until it squirts out the side, like that. Then you want to shank this bitch. Like that. Check that dude out. I don't know what to call it. Seen people call it the breakfast witch or the brunch witch. Give me a good name. Let me know what to call this bad dude. We'll get some maple syrup. Some good shit. Put it in a bowl. Then you want to dip this dude. She's gonna be messy. Check this out. It's gonna be real messy. That's the good one right here. That's fucking awesome. Like I said, think of a name for this dude. What can we call it? We used to get at this deli, man, and the dude called it El Diablo. I mean, he didn't make up. I mean, they do this sandwich all over the world. It's a bad motherfucker. But El Diablo's a spicy sloppy Joe, so I think he was reaching with the name. What can we call this motherfucker? Either way, fuck your mama, bitch.